Hello, bestie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy Sunday, bestie. How are you guys doing? How was your Valentine? Nobody wish me Valentine. Happy Valentine. No. Happy Valentine, guys. I know Valentine has passed. Today is Sunday. I came back from church since I was just sleeping, just waking up right now. I want to prepare brunch for my family, so I want to do a little bit of a chicken casserole. That's what I'm doing. You can see this. That's what I'm using. This chicken, I'm using olive oil, and this is Irish potato. I'll use Irish potato as thickener. I didn't want to use cornstarch today, so that's what I'll be using to thicken it. And veggies, all the veggies is prepped already, that are inside the freezer. So let's quickly start cooking, bestie. Okay, bestie, I'm adding my oil. I want to fry the chicken. I don't have such time to air fry it. It's olive oil I'm using. Okay, olive oil. I want to fry it. If I don't fry it, just kind of air fry it. To take a little bit longer. Let me fry it so that I'll finish on time. Time is going already. This is close to 12 o'clock, if not 12 o'clock already. Okay, guys, I'll show you when I'm done frying the chicken. That's what I'm doing right now. Guys, bestie, I'm done with frying of the chicken and plantain. Okay, let's start doing the casserole. Bestie, I'm adding my onions. I'm starting the casserole, bestie. I'm adding onions and garlic paste. That's what you're seeing. So I like adding pepper. My veggies are frozen. Adding the veggies, I'm using carrots and green peas. Then my bell pepper, curry, rosemary, then thyme. Okay, no seasoning cube, water because I want to go in with my thickener. Adding my thickener, I told you I'm using Irish potato. I don't want to use cornstarch, corn flour today. That's the reason why you're seeing me using Irish potato for my thickener. Okay, now turning my protein, which is chicken. That's what you're seeing me doing. Then add my soy sauce, dark soy sauce, just a little. I don't want it too dark. Bestie, I'm turning. I want to turn it, so I remove the spoon so that I can turn it properly well. And now pick up my turning stick to give it a stir, guys. So bestie, you've seen. I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer till it gets thicker. Okay, we are going to cook it for, let me say, for 10 minutes. Okay, besties, our chicken casserole is ready. If you watch up to this moment, thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share our video. See you guys in our next cooking vlog. Bye for now. Peace out. So bestie, let's test this food. Every time I will be cooking, I have not been testing you people's fronts. Let's see. I'll tell you people the honest truth. Hi. Coco. Bestie. I want to text them again. Hey, whoa. It's yummy, besties. See you guys. Peace out.